Okay, so this is the standard shove move. Now, it might seem very easy, but it is a precursor to several other moves, so it's important to learn this move as it is given and not adapt it in any way. So it is important to gauge distance on this one. So you want to extend your arms straight out in front of you and lock those elbows, flatten your palms, and keep those hands together in blades, and then you are going to place that against the shoulders of your partner, all right, with the heels of your palm pushing straight down. Good. So you essentially should be able to push them, but have them move nowhere. You shouldn't be able to put a lot of force behind your shove. Good. Now, your partner, on the other hand, should be able to feel that shove and be able to fake it and stumble backwards. So when you give a shove, you are going to warn them by pulling both of your elbows back. And when you shove them, you are fake shoving in that you are putting a lot of force and fully extending those arms and making contact with them. But because you have gauged your distance correctly, they will essentially not move. Go ahead and do that. Good. And then they will use their acting skills to pretend that that force was a lot more than it was. So let's go ahead and do that for real. Ready? Excellent job.